Hello everyone. Today we're going to be making scalloped potatoes and ham in the slow cooker. So what's all in the slow cooker scalloped potatoes and ham? 2 pounds of unpeeled medium-sized red potatoes, quartered, about 6 cups. 1/3 cup chopped green bell pepper. 2 cups cubed, about 1/2 inch cooked ham. 1 tablespoon dried minced onion. 1 16-ounce jar of Alfredo sauce. Mine's only 15 ounces, but it'll have to do. 1/2 cup milk. 1/4 teaspoon pepper. 1/3 cup shredded Parmesan cheese if desired, and fresh chopped parsley if desired. So let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is spray your crock pot. Instead of spraying the crock pot with non-stick cooking spray, I just use a crock pot liner. And then you want to take 1 pound of your quartered potatoes and dump in the bottom of the crock pot. 1/2 of a small green pepper, and 1 cup cubed ham, and 1/2 tablespoon of minced onion. Next, you want to take a bowl and dump your 16 ounces of Alfredo sauce in there. And your 1/2 cup of milk. And your 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And whisk that all together. And that makes 2 cups worth of sauce. So pour 1 cup over the vegetables and the ham. Then you want to go ahead and put another pound of potatoes on top of the sauce. And the other 1/2 of the green pepper. And 1 cup of cubed ham. And 1/2 tablespoon of minced onion, and the rest of the sauce. Do not stir it. Put your cover on. Turn it to low and leave it set for 6 to 8 hours. 5 minutes before it's done, you want to go ahead and take the lid off and stir gently. Ouch! And don't touch the side of the slow cooker. And then add your 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese. And continue cooking until the cheese has melted. So the slow cooker scalloped potatoes and ham is done, and we will go ahead and garnish it with parsley. And we have the slow cooker scalloped potatoes and ham, and rounding off the meal is ciabatta bread. I'll go ahead and get my husband to give it a taste test.
I'm going to explain a little bit about my rating system. I'm not one of these people that can tell you it's got 7 grains of pepper in it or any of the particular spices. My thing is like, that's no. And do agains, I like it enough that I would like to have it again. So that's my little rating system for what it's worth. And this one is a do again.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.